What's up guys, it's Aaron from How To's by Bros. Today I'm going to show you how to do pull-ups if you don't have a pull-up bar. So these aren't really pull-ups, but they work the same exact muscles, so muscle groups. And so they're going to work your lats and your biceps just like pull-ups do. So if you can't do a pull-up, do these, and these will train you be able to do pull-ups. So let's dive right into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to put two chairs next to each other, just facing the opposite way, about about 2.5 feet apart or 3 feet apart, whatever. And then you're gonna grab a PVC pipe or a broom if you have one. Most people have a broom, so just grab a broom or a dust or whatever, some long stick. And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna
go like this, alright? Right up. Just like that. Alright?
So what that's going to do is it's going to work the biceps, it's going to work the lats, and it's going to train you to do pull-ups. And eventually you can do, and make sure you have sturdy chairs as well. Make sure, and when you're doing this,
your legs,
make sure you bend your legs in when you're doing it, because it's a lot of strain on the chairs, and the chairs might fall over if you put your feet straight out, because it's a lot of force. It's a lot more. It's a lot harder to do it like that, and it's a lot more pressure on the chairs.
so basically just have your knees bent in, your feet bent in, and just go up.
So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how to do, they're not really pull-ups, but how to do pull-ups for beginners at home without equipment. So make sure you click the links in the description. So I'll have my Instagram below. So thank you so much for watching the video. Click the link in the description for a free 6-pack PDF, and I'll talk to you guys later. God bless. Have a great day.